Starting around 08 November 2023, STEPN explicitly is exchanging at 23 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.79% in most recent 1 hour and in every way that really matters, large way. GMT generally has a very complete market cap of $299,547,648, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,652,340 in a very large manner. This explicitly makes STEPN, GMT, certainly positioning at 116 in the digital currency market in a very enormous manner. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN sort of be truly worth in 2023 in an extremely large manner? Is STEPN a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical? Will GMT cost basically outperform its unsurpassed height, which for the most part is genuinely critical? These explicitly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S' future in an exceptionally significant manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost fundamentally is supposed to in every practical sense cross an all things considered normal value level of 25 cents, the normal really least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to basically be 24 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, GMT can arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 26 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. GMT value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN explicitly is supposed to basically arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 20 cents in a significant manner. The GMT cost could sort of arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of 22 cents, with the really normal cost around 22 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. GMT value estimate September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STEPN basically is supposed to sort of arrive at a kind of least value worth of 21 cents, which generally is very critical. The GMT cost could essentially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of 23 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost around 22 cents, which truly is very huge. GMT value figure October 2023. The STEPN conjecture for October 2023 expects that the GMT may generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 24 cents, with a base cost of around 22 cents, exhibiting how GMT value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN for the most part is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a sort of least value worth of 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the sort of typical value GMT can by and large stretch around 23 cents for October, exhibiting how GMT value gauge August 2023. With respect to August 2023, STEPN in a real sense is supposed to basically arrive at a genuinely least value worth of 20 cents, which most certainly is genuinely critical. STEPN, GMT, value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN especially is in every practical sense anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of 24 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 25 cents and an exceptionally least of 23 cents, showing how might GMT cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN value figure December 2023. The sort of normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could truly go to 25 cents toward the finish of December 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. GMT could be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of 26 cents, with the base expected cost of 24 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. STEPN by and large past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.3% in its sort of current worth, showing how this basically makes STEPN, GMT, especially positioning at 116 in the digital money market. Assuming that we most certainly look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, Sort of additional appearance, how GMT basically has a complete market cap of $299,547,648, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,652,340. From truly most recent 7 days, the GMT especially was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 20.68% in a genuinely significant manner. STEPN basically has shown areas of strength for essentially potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT especially diminished by 42.431%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of 17 cents from its by and large current worth, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a kind of good in a real sense, purchase a potential open door for genuinely speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change generally is near 59.75%, and the cost truly circled from a kind of least most certainly normal cost of 51 cents to kind of greatest normal cost of 59 cents in the beyond 90 days, which explicitly is very critical. STEPN in a real sense is somewhere near 9.89%, with the in every way that really matters greatest especially normal cost of the coin truly was around 29 cents and the for the most part least truly normal value of was around 28 cents in extremely beyond 4 months, showing how these are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future in a sort of huge manner. STEPN value conjecture 2023 facts. What will for the most part be STEPN by and large worth in 2023, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The GMT value sort of is estimated to essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 26 cents, with pretty least cost of 24 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Showing how stepn GMT value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of 25 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in a real sense be 24 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Does STEPN for the most part have a future, or so they by and large thought? As far as value, STEPN sort of has an extraordinary sort of potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels, which for the most part is very critical. It in a real sense is conjecture that GMT will increment in esteem, genuinely further appearance how for the most part is STEPN a by and large wise venture, or especially worth purchasing in 2023. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, STEPN can especially raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $1.65 till 2030, showing how stepn for the most part is somewhere near 9.89%, with the kind of greatest pretty normal cost of the coin truly was around 29 cents, and the very least beautiful typical cost of by and large was around 28 cents in beyond 4 months,